Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I wanted to also share the very popular and rising star of the possible scams that you can get with billions of users on Facebook. Of course, one of the things that is used quite often among users is the Facebook Messenger. This has probably become the number one way that people actually interact with each other in chat. Now, the problem with the messenger is that you are also at risk with the people you interact with. A lot of people talk about Facebook saying, oh, well, Facebook's broken and, people are getting hacked. People are getting hacked not because Facebook is broken. They're getting hacked because they are not careful or have very bad passwords. Messenger being a direct message platform for users of Facebook means that if one of your contacts, for some reason, has been hacked, if one of your contacts has clicked on one of the scam messages that can be on Messenger that was sent by one of their own friends, well, you are at risk also. And it comes in various ways. The most popular is that you in this video, or oh, I remember this video about you. It was so cool. Anything like that is a scam. It's an automatic scam. Do not click any links on Messenger when you get messages like that. The biggest problem with Messenger is that the risk you have there is that you might trust your friends. And in computers, and in technology, your best friends and your family are your worst enemies in terms of security because you back down your guard. You will be more relaxed if it's from, your best friend. And people have a tendency to think that others are always better at, computer stuff. And what happens is that most of the time they're not. And sometimes they're even worse. It's a way that people have a lot of, and I've seen that as a tech guy, people kind of don't trust themselves and think they're worse than others in computers, when in reality, they're probably not. So that is very important to not click links unless you really are sure and know that they sent you a link about something and they're going to tell you, oh, this is a link for that thing that I talked about the other day. And even that, you should be careful. Once you click these links, it's not an automatic process. They will ask you most of the time to give information about, for example, your Facebook account or some other account. Never, ever give those details, ever. It might send you to a new login page for Facebook, for example. And so you think you have to re-enter your email and your password in order to get back into your Facebook account. But in reality, what you just did is give full access to your Facebook to scammers. So this is you got to be very careful. You got to be careful what the people send you, especially your friends and family, because you never know. And in doubt, just call them and say, hey, did you send me this? And of course, most of the time they're going to say, well, I didn't send anything. Yeah, be very careful. And last but not least, resist the temptation to go and check the messenger messages from people you have no idea who they are, because that also is a great way to scam you. And so this is, after email, probably now the number two way of people getting hacked on Facebook or getting scammed or getting malware. So it's extremely important to be careful on Facebook and Facebook Messenger, and just avoid scams. Technically, most of the time, because people don't trust themselves, like I was saying, but most of the time, as a tech guy, I noticed that people say, "Well, I thought it was weird, but I still clicked on it." Well, if you think it's weird, do not click on it. You probably have a good vibe already there, saying, no, this isn't right. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.